Hey guys, Jackie here, and in today's video we are going to talk, I'm sure you read it in the description, but I feel like I can't get into the video until I tell you. We're going to talk about these Instylish beauty sponges. This is a new product of theirs. They are $12.99 for two. They also have microfiber sponges as well. Also $12.99 for two. And yeah, I will have links in the description box if you are interested at the end of this video and you see my thoughts. So yes, if you like beauty related videos, tutorials, shop with me, hauls, all that kind of fun stuff, reviews, then hit that subscribe button, and if you would like, hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation so YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. So yeah, now let's get to my thoughts on these sponges. Okay, so we are talking sponges. These are the new Instylish sponges. So they are multifunctional makeup sponge by Instylish. They came in this, and it is made of hydrophilic polyurethane, whatever that is, and it tells you to clean them before you use them, and so I did. So this is them wet, and they are super squishy, and yeah, so we're gonna try those out. All right, they did send me these for free to try out. I just want to let you guys know that. And I am going to be using Covergirl Trublend today in classic ivory. I do 3 pumps, but probably will not take 3 pumps. All right, so I'm going to be using this one because I like that it has this big flat edge and this little flat edge, and it's round on the bottom, but I prefer a flat edge when I put on my makeup. So my foundation and such. So this is the edge we're going to use. And yeah, so let's start bouncing some makeup on my face. And ooh, let's see, because I'm really picky about sponges. Oh, wow. Holy cow. Wow, that didn't take long at all. You can see, of course, it's a sponge. It's going to soak up a little bit of the product. All sponges do. I mean, they do. They also have microfiber sponges. So if you prefer a microfiber sponge, then they also have that. I need more. Not putting enough on my face. I'm shaking the whole table. My bad. It doesn't really soak up that much. And it's soft, but not like too soft. Like, you know those sponges that are like too soft? Like, I don't like the Real Technique sponge. I use it for like to put on my eye primer. That's about it. Because it's too soft. And when it's too soft, it doesn't blend as well, I don't think. I feel like it just leaves marks. This sponge is just soft enough. Doesn't leave those marks. Blends it out really fast. Oh, look at that luminous finish. Nice. Now concealer. I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Concealer. And 3 dots. Because as we know, this is full coverage and we don't need that much. Now I'm going to use this small side. That was so fast. Like, wow. Look at that. I like it. Okay. I need to powder. Been using a brush for powder lately. This little Real Techniques brush. I like their brushes, don't like their sponges. And just so you know, these sponges, you get 2 for $12.99. Not bad. That's a good price for sponges. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me. Okay. Now I'm trying Jeffree Star's little trick. And oh, these sponges, they are just, I love them. Put them over here for a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna try Jeffree Star's trick where he uses Tanacon to contour and pigment for blush. Cross your fingers, this works. Alright, so Tanacon is this one right there. And I'm just going to use this little brush that I use for contouring. I'm scared. Okay. Ready? Wow. I guess he's right. It does work, doesn't it? Wow, it blends a lot easier too. Wow. What? I'm kind of impressed with that. I never really think to use eyeshadows as other things, but dang. Look at that. Oh my god. Dude, he's not kidding. I mean, I know I saw him do it in his video, but I was like, but would that work on me? I mean, I'm not the same coloring as Jeffree Star. I don't think. Maybe I am. Who knows? I am pretty white. Pretty white. Guys, look, it works. Holy crap. I don't know why I'm so impressed with that, but I am. Yeah, that works really freaking well. Okay, I'm gonna try the blush now. And we're gonna use a little pigment for the blush. Let's see. It'll definitely match my eye look. Wow, that really works. Wow, I love it. So yeah, give it a try yourself. See how it works out for you. But for me, it works out good. Anyways, I'm gonna bronze too, but do that in a minute. Hey. Okay. Wow. Okay, so that worked well. I'm going to bronze, highlight, and finish my eye look, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm done with my face, and I haven't tried this one yet, but if, I mean, it's just just flat here. It's just like the Real Techniques shape, but I don't know, I love the softness of these. It's so squishy, but it's not, it's like the perfect softness. It's not too soft, but it's not too firm. You know what I mean? It's like perfect. It's like Three Little Bears. Goldilocks is perfect. What the hell am I trying to say? Anyways, so I do approve of these sponges. And for $12.99 for two, I mean, that's a really good price. And you can get a 10% discount if you use code Jackie10. So I will link their link to the sponges and my code in the description box if you would like to purchase them. I will be using these all the time because they're better than the sponges I have right now. So yes, that is it for this video. If you want to know how to get this eye look that I did, let me know in the comments and I will do a video on this eye look. Also, I gotta stop shaking the table. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up for me. Thank you. And yeah, hopefully you will hopefully you will I can't talk. Hopefully you will tune in for future videos. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.